7 parishes will come under water prohibition orders from Monday, August 17, as the government moves to protect Jamaica's water supply due to critically low rainfall. The restrictions will affect Kingston, St. Andrew, St. Thomas, St. Mary, Portland, St. Anne, and St. Catherine. According to a statement from the National Water Commission, sanctions will be imposed on individuals and businesses that breach the orders. The orders prohibit the use of National Water Commission supplied water for non-essential activities, including watering lawns and gardens, filling swimming pools, washing vehicles with hoses, and washing roads, pavements, and garages. Minister of Water, Environment and Climate Change Matthew Samuda says the government will also seek cabinet and parliamentary approval for stiffer penalties against persons who breach the restrictions. He said the measures have become necessary amid forecasts associated with the El Niño phenomenon and continued high temperatures. Minister Samuda acknowledged that the restrictions could affect some businesses, including car washes, but said the priority is to protect the national water supply and ensure adequate supplies for critical services, particularly schools, ahead of the September reopening.